In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off keyboard shortcuts in Outlook. If you've ever accidentally archived an email or triggered a command just by tapping the wrong key, disabling shortcuts can make your inbox a lot calmer and more accessible. We'll walk through this in Outlook on the web, and I'll keep each step clear and simple. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. In the results, click the official Outlook website to open the Outlook web app. This takes you into your mailbox, where we'll change the setting. Once Outlook loads, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. That's the settings icon. Click it to open the settings panel. This panel controls how Outlook behaves, from appearance to accessibility features. Inside Settings, select General. This section contains account-wide preferences and is where Microsoft groups many fundamental options. Next, choose Accessibility. This page is designed to help make Outlook easier to use for everyone, and it's where the keyboard shortcut controls live. On the Accessibility page, find the section labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. Here, Outlook typically offers several modes, but the option we want is the one that turns shortcuts off entirely. Select Turn off keyboard shortcuts. This prevents single letter or combination keys from triggering actions, which is especially helpful if you navigate with screen readers, share a keyboard, or just prefer to avoid accidental commands. After selecting Turn off keyboard shortcuts, make sure you save your change. Look for the Save button and click it. Without saving, Outlook won't apply the new setting, and shortcuts will remain active. Once saved, the change takes effect right away. A quick tip. After saving, you can confirm the setting by trying a common shortcut you used before. If nothing happens, you're set. If you ever want to bring shortcuts back later, just return to the same accessibility page and pick the mode you prefer, then save again. That's it. You opened Outlook on the web through Google, went into Settings, selected General, then Accessibility, found the keyboard shortcuts section, turned them off, and saved your changes. This small tweak can reduce accidental actions, lower frustration, and create a more predictable experience when managing your email. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you work more confidently in Outlook.